see you on the other side. Stays light, stays light. I got to keep it together, keep it together.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a final review on the hair that I'm currently wearing. This is the Her Imports Brazilian Body Wave. I have in a 16-inch lace closure as well as a 14-inch and two 16-inch bundles. So let me talk to you guys about my experience with this hair. I purchased this hair, I think in October maybe of 2018. So I've had the hair quite a while. It is now March. It is the end of March. Wow, it's kind of April. I filmed an unboxing of this hair as well as an initial review. I haven't been back to give you guys a final review because I haven't been wearing this hair every day. I do have this installed as a full wig unit, and I intended to wear this, like do a review and wear it for a month or so. And for some reason, I just couldn't get with it and I didn't wear it. And it has nothing to do with the hair. It's just I was enjoying my natural hair. I started wearing wigs because I went natural and I couldn't really wear my own hair. But now my hair is at the length that I like and it's been performing really well. I found products that I like. I just was preferring my own hair to go to work, especially if I was going to be really active. I just didn't want the wig in the way. I did wear it here on my channel and I wear it on the weekends because I do love my wig. I did buy it. I wanted to wear it. I like the way I look here on YouTube when I have on my extensions. I like the way I look every day when I have on my extensions. It's just not always practical when I'm working. I can just get ready faster in the morning with my own hair than when I wear a wig. Even though wigs are easy to install, you know, I still want it to look perfect now. I don't want any issues over here with the closure, and I want it to look like my hair, and so I have to do a lot to kind of adjust it and to make sure it looks good before I walk out the door. So I decided to wait longer to give you guys the final review. I feel like I really have, you know, worn it enough to be able to really give you a final review, and this is probably the equivalent of wearing it 4 weeks straight or more. I have shampooed this hair several times and have worn it curled and straightened, and it's magnificent hair. I still have the same opinions about this hair that I had when I did my initial review. This is my second time wearing Her Imports Brazilian Body Wave, and it is the best Brazilian body wave that I've ever worn, and it is one of my top hair companies and one of my top hair textures or origins of hair that I've ever worn. I highly recommend this hair. I like to buy it when it is on sale. So I'll catch a sale, like we have Memorial Day coming up, guys. There'll probably be a sale. If you get on their contact list, they will text you whenever they have a sale, and that's when I typically buy it because it is so expensive. They claim to be the only hair company, or one of the only hair companies, I believe I heard, that sells real virgin hair, that they actually are going over to the Indian temples and acquiring this hair and not doing anything to process it. Now, I did have someone view my video and comment that they purchased the less expensive bundles. There are some bundles on the website that are more comparable to AliExpress hair, but this is the premium hair. These are the premium bundles. You're going to pay more for this hair, but guys, it is worth it. It's the best. It is the best. It's the best. It is the best. It is the most like natural, realistic looking hair that I own. Like, it just looks like hair growing out my scalp. I typically stop folding my tracks somewhere in here, and then I cut them so that it will be really flat. And I kind of went one track too many folding, and so I don't like wearing this one like on a middle part, but that's why you see me wearing it on the side part all the time. It just turned out that this unit looks better on the side. I also straighten the hair, so if you go back a few videos, a couple of videos, you'll see me wearing straight hair, and it is this hair. I like it straight, but I prefer it wanded. So what I have done here is like curled this little piece here and a couple of pieces here with a curling iron, and then the bottom is wand curls with my wand curler. Okay, so I just prefer this hair wanded over straight, although it looks great both ways. Really quickly, let me talk about the smell of the hair, because that was an issue I had with the initial review. How I got rid of the smell, because it doesn't have a smell any longer, and right after I filmed that review, I'm like, I gotta come up with some way to get rid of the smell. You will hear people reference using fabric softener to remove the smell. I actually went a step further this time and used detergent, because I'm like, well, detergent is the washing part of this. Why not use that? Because I used fabric softener before and I didn't like how it made the hair feel, right? So I used the detergent because I figured it wouldn't leave that residue, and I liked that method better. And I also added those Downy, it's a canister of Downy product, and they're like little balls, and I sprinkled a little bit of that in the water and I let it soak in that solution, and then I washed it like I normally do with my clarifying shampoo, coconut conditioner, my Suave products, because I don't have to use expensive products on this hair, and the smell was gone and I don't smell it now. So it just smells like hair now. So with a few shampoos, and if you use that method, you can remove the smell. Once I got rid of that problem, I was really, really happy. The first time I bought the hair, I think that it was softer than it is now. I felt like I remember it being really soft bundles, and they had that beautiful coil. It just was gorgeous the first time around, more so than this time, but the hair has performed the same way that the hair did the last time. There has been no shedding, there has been no tangling, and there has been no matting. I can still run my hands through this hair with confidence, and I'm not getting any strands of hair, and I'm not getting tangles. You get what you pay for, and I have had some good affordable hair in the past, and it was really, really good for 4 weeks, maybe 6. And it will start matting and tangling and doing all that stuff because it's not 100% virgin hair. There's stuff in it. It's going to start cutting up after a while. And that's okay. I will still buy hair like that from time to time because sometimes I just love how that looks. I love how it curls and performs. And I don't care if it only lasts me 2 months. I spent less money on it, so hey, I'll wear it for 2 months and get rid of it. Sometimes I don't mind that, especially if I want to color a unit. It's weird, but I don't really always want to color my really expensive hair because I just want this to last forever and I don't want to mess with it. So if I want to color and experiment, I'd rather do it with cheaper bundles if it can handle it than to use expensive hair, which I know is odd. You probably should do it the other way around, but I want my expensive hair to last. There's a time and a place to buy less expensive hair that is not 100% virgin. I don't care how much they tell you it is. There's a time and a place for that. And then there are times when you want to splurge and treat yourself to more expensive hair, which is what I did here. And I eventually, hopefully, will wear it. I did wear it a full week solid, and then some things just went kind of array with my life and I didn't keep wearing it. And so I typically wear it on the weekends, and it's kind of my hair to wear when I want to go somewhere special. I know it's weird, but this unit just kind of has turned into that unit for me for some reason. But I just know that I've worn it enough for enough months, and I've shampooed it enough and curled it enough and styled it enough to tell you guys that it's a winner. All of that time combined is probably well beyond a 4-week wear test. Anyway, it holds a curl like a dream, and as you can tell, like I curled it today, and look at these popping curls. So it definitely curls. The closure is a little bit darker than my bundles. That's not really a big deal, but my bundles have more of like a reddish dark brown tint, and then this looks darker. The closure is a good closure. Like the scalp looks really good. I have it on an elastic band. I have a comb and like 2 clips, and where I put them are just not in the best place. So I have to adjust this unit a lot, which is also probably a reason I don't wear it as much, because I feel like I have to adjust it more just by my method of sewing this one. It's like almost like 6 months old, and I haven't worn it every day for 6 months, so keep that in mind. But regardless, it's 6 months old. It looks good for hair that is 6 months old, period. Someone commented and wanted this update, and I highly recommend this hair company. It is the best. It just doesn't fail me ever. It never fails me, and it is beautiful. And I think a lot of celebrities and other people wear this hair, so I just like it. It still was expensive even on sale, but it is so worth it. So this is the final review. You will continue to see me wear this hair on my channel, but if you have any questions about it, just leave them down below in the comments and I will respond, I promise. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button before you leave. So I'll be seeing you guys again very soon in my next video. So until the next time we meet again, this is Savvy, signing out.